Hey everyone, welcome back. In this course, we are going to build a complete GTA style game in Unity step by step from scratch. Not just a simple demo, but a fully functional open world style system including third person player controller, smooth camera system, car and bike driving physics, enter and exit vehicle system, AI traffic with waypoints, weapon system, and much more. By the end of this course, you will have the skills to create your own GTA style gameplay systems and expand them into a full game. The course is designed for beginners who want to learn game development, intermediate developers who want to build real systems, and anyone interested in Unity gameplay mechanics. We will keep everything simple, practical, and production ready. No unnecessary theories, just real game development. So if you are ready to build your own GTA style game, let's get started.